Guys, welcome to Overflowing Wealth. This is a platform where we show you how to make money. Guys, I need to tell you this: people are making money online legitimately. And I decided to attend to this urgently because I received some messages and I feel I should do a video to attend to that. It's about this online survey, paid online survey. Guys, you can make money answering paid surveys. These money are not so much, but I tell you, they are very, very, very good and they can, attend to some of our needs. So take time, listen to it. I'm going to put you through how to, do that, sign up, register, attend surveys and get your money cool. The money are not so much, but of course, they will have something they will do. And please, I implore you to subscribe to this channel, help this channel grow. Why give you some value to that? Because I have so many videos that I'm going to do that I'm going to put you through how to make money. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe. And if you have any question, if you have any audio that you need help about, please write the question on the comment section. I promise I'm going to get back to you, answer every question. So now I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you which of these surveys I've answered myself, how much I've gotten, how I've gotten it, everything. I'm going to go put it through how I did it. So the first one here is called Univox Community. All the links I'm going to put them on the description below. Just click the links to sign up, register, and start attending to the surveys. So this one is called Universe Community. You see this Universe Community, you see the points have accumulated already, 287. So when you do that, you will be able to convert them into money, send them to your account if you have a PayPal account, or you convert them to gift cards that you will be able you'll be able to shop online, use them. I've done all these things, they are working for me. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to show you how you withdraw, via PayPal, or how you shop online if you convert them to a gift card. So just subscribe, just sign up on this, then you have all the surveys to attend to. And another one is called rewarding panel. You see this rewarding panel, you see, I've already accumulated 150 points already, and this is working. This is good. If you do this, you'll be able to either use them if you want to see movie in the cinema, and maybe in your own time, in your own available time. If you get 200 points, then you'll be able to see movies, convert it to the card, then you'll be able to do a ticket, then you'll be able to see movies. If you want to shop online, maybe for grocery or anything online via either Lulu, supermarket, other known, you know, Amazon, all this, then you have the card. If you want the money to, of course, you can cash it out if it's the money you need. And this happens in various countries for various currencies. It's working actually. And I'm going to show you my PayPal account, and I'll share you how it has worked for me, how I've been able to use it, how I've been able to, make some money answering paid survey. Presently I have, you know, $5.85 in my account. That's not all I got. Actually, this show you, how the money have been paid 3rd of July, and 29th of June, and like that. Now I've made withdrawals from this account, from the money I made through answering survey questions. Although this money are not so much, $6.9, that's almost $7. Another one here, $7.2, like that. That's how it works. Of course, it might not be enough, it might not really cater for all your needs, but of course there will be something that little things you'll be able to, you know, do with them. And with your phone and with your laptop, you are good to go. Yes, and that's all is needed for you to watch ahead. There is survey time. This survey time too does wonder. Just register. I put the link on the description below. Just click all these links, register, sign up, attend to service, and get your cash instantly. You send it to your account if you have a PayPal account. If you don't have, I will do a video to show you how to open a PayPal account, and the money is moved in your account instantly, and you'll be able to receive them. So thank you for listening to this video. Thank you for watching. Please kindly help us to grow this channel. Of course, this is a channel for us. There's no membership payment. The only thing you are going to do for me is to subscribe to this button so that as the video are coming, it's just landing in your hand and you take advantage of it. And I tell you, I have many videos and I know it's going to be of optimum, you know, benefit to you. Please kindly subscribe, like this button, and please so that we can all be mutually benefited from this. Thank you and stay safe.